So we've just got a pile of metal trunks that we're about to pack up for a trade customer of ours who have ordered 40 old metal trunks. So I'm just going to show you what the trunks are here, and you can see them here. They vary quite a bit from kind of these big heavy black ones to smaller lightweight ones up here. And typically they were used as traveling trunks, so people who were going overseas, typically whether it was for military service or whether they were working overseas, would take one or a couple of these trunks and they would fill it with their personal possessions. Obviously today they're not used anymore, but they make perfect props for shop scenes and shop displays. So I'll just take you around and just show you some of them here. Here's one that has gone to India, and I noticed somewhere on it at the top it says RAF, so it's obviously a British serviceman who was serving in the RAF who was over in India. So you can see these ones here are completely packed and ready to go, and we've got some more here that we've got to restore and clean up. You can see how rusty we get them over there. We'll get them cleaned up, cleaned, varnished, and then they'll be ready to go out to the customer.